we divide 798 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 2 is 6. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 9 and it is 19. 3 times 6 is 18. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 8 and it is 18. So 3 times 6 is 18. On subtracting we get 0. So 798 divided by 3 is 266. So this much for today and thanks for watching.